Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First thing, don't forget to check out our new stock. We have awesome shirts, as you can see. We have this one here, all-wheel drive, do it on all fours, you know what I mean. Okay, and today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the grille on a Volkswagen Golf. This one will be the Rabbit, will be the MK5, which will be from 2005 all the way to 2010. So what we need now, guys, is you can see a T25 star looking bit or a screwdriver, and you need to remove these two screws right here. You have to be careful to remove it right, otherwise you can break that thing, and we just dropped one of the screws, so don't do that. Okay, let us show you now what else you need to do. You need to press this thing in and pull, okay, and on this side again you just press like that, okay, to the front and pull up, and now you can go on in one angle and go up. There is a few clips right here that usually hold on the bottom. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips on the bottom, and that's how you guys remove and you replace the grille on the Volkswagen MK5 Golf. So if you have any questions, let us know. We have many videos on our channel. We have many videos on that Golf. We'll be actually doing engine replacement, so we will do quite a few videos. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.